So if apps are not opening on your iPhone, there might be a couple of reasons for that. So it could be either all the apps or specific apps that are not opening on your iPhone. So first thing you can do is make sure you have internet connection on your phone. So you want to check out your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Make sure it's active. Make sure you're connected to the correct Wi-Fi network, which actually has connectivity. And it's also a good idea to check this network actually works with a different device like a computer, a laptop, or smart TV, just to make sure the specific Wi-Fi you're connected to is actually working and it's not the one causing your apps not to open. Now, if that Wi-Fi network is working, or if you have active internet connection, the next thing you can do is try to reset your internet connection. And the easiest way to do that is to swipe down from the upper right side, go into airplane mode for a couple of moments, and then get out of airplane mode. So that should, you can see it's connecting afresh to your network or networks if you have a dual SIM setup, and also Wi-Fi as well. And that should refresh your connection, and maybe that's going to fix your problem. Now, if your apps or that specific app is still not opening, then there might be a problem with an update. So first, you want to go to the Apple App Store and update that specific application. So if that specific application is Messenger, then you can go to the Messenger page in the App Store, check if there's a pending update, or you can simply go to your App Store from the home screen, tap on your profile icon, and then go to App Updates. And here you should see all the applications on your iPhone that are due for an update, as you can see. So if one of these is your application which is not opening or it's giving you problems opening, then this could be the reason. So you can go ahead and update that specific app, or you can simply tap on Update All, and that's going to update all the applications on your iPhone which are due for an update. Now, hopefully that's going to fix your problem. In case it doesn't, just go to settings and update your iPhone. So make sure your iPhone is running the latest update. So if you go into settings, then go to general, and then go to software update, make sure you're running the latest available software update for your iPhone. So if you have a pending update, then make sure you're running the latest update for your iPhone for the best operation of the UI and applications. Hopefully that should fix your problem. Now, in case you still have a specific application which is still not working, it's become completely stubborn, it has completely refused to open, then there might be an outage on the servers of the application hosts. So it's worth going onto X, or you can just do a quick Google search and check if a specific application has problems running. So for instance, you can open a new tab on any browser and check is Messenger working on iPhone. So in case there's a problem, you might even see using AI. Currently you can see it's fully operational on iPhone, but if there's a problem with that application, you might see someone talk about it either in this one of these forums or on X, which is usually up to date. So that is basically how to go around or how to fix a problem with apps or a specific application not opening on your iPhone. I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.